Bitcoin just shattered its all-time high, smashing through $116,000. And while everyone's watching Bitcoin, a cross-chain token called Hyperlane just exploded 450% overnight. This is not just another pump. We're witnessing the birth of a new market narrative that could reshape the entire crypto landscape. What's up, crypto family? Alex from Moonward Capital here with your Crypto Pulse update. If you're new to the channel, we deliver flash updates twice daily to keep you ahead of the crowd in this fast-moving market. Today, we're breaking down Bitcoin's historic milestone, an absolutely explosive move in cross-chain tokens, and a controversial $4 billion token launch that has the entire market talking. Let's dive in. Bitcoin has officially reached a new all-time high of $116,665, up nearly 5% in just 24 hours. This isn't just another milestone. Bitcoin has now surpassed Alphabet, Google, to become the 8th largest asset globally. We're seeing massive institutional inflows through ETFs and nearly $340 million in short liquidations following this breakout. The question now becomes, can Bitcoin hold above 115K and build support for the next leg up? While Bitcoin grabs headlines, something extraordinary is happening in the cross-chain sector. Hyperlane, Hyper, has absolutely exploded, surging 450% in just 24 hours following listings on Korean exchanges, Upbit and Bithumb. This token connects over 140 blockchains and has processed 9 million messages, bridging $6 billion in volume. And it's not just Hyperlane. The entire cross-chain sector is up an astonishing 84.85% in 24 hours. This is a clear signal that interoperability is emerging as the next major narrative in crypto. The days of isolated blockchain ecosystems are ending as projects that connect these islands of value capture massive interest. Major institutional players are making significant moves as this rally unfolds. SharpLink Gaming just added another 12,148 ETH, 35.3 NEM, to their treasury. Since June, they've accumulated 222,000 ETH with an average cost of 2,217. That's serious conviction. Meanwhile, in a surprising development, the Ethereum Foundation sold 1,210 ETH for $3.1 USDC at $2,180. This comes as Ethereum approaches the critical $3,000 level, with ETFs buying 34 times more ETH than daily issuance. These conflicting signals from major players create an interesting dynamic as Ethereum pushes toward this important milestone. Tomorrow marks the highly anticipated launch of PumpFun's Pump token, aiming to raise $600 million at a $4 billion valuation. The 72-hour sale will offer 15% of the total supply at 0.1/4 per token. But here's where it gets interesting. PumpFun is facing growing competition from Bonk's ecosystem, which has captured 55% of Solana's launchpad market, up from just 25%. Meanwhile, PumpFun's market share has dropped dramatically to 35% from its previous 75%. This controversial $4 billion valuation comes as the platform is losing market share to competitors. Let's quickly look at the broader market. Bitcoin dominance stands at 66.3%, Ethereum dominance at 9.5%. Overall market cap has reached 3.35 trillion. 24-hour volume is 160 billion. Market sentiment is firmly in the greed zone at 65.4 to 1. All major assets are showing strength, with XRP up 6.69%, Ethereum up 6.57%, and Solana up 4.22%. So what should you be watching over the next 24 hours? First, pay close attention to Bitcoin's price action as it consolidates above 115K. This level needs to hold as support for the rally to continue. Second, monitor Ethereum as it approaches the critical $3,000 psychological barrier. A clean break above could trigger another leg up. Third, keep an eye on cross-chain tokens as this sector experiences unprecedented growth. We could be witnessing the next major market narrative unfold in real time. And finally, the PumpFun token launch tomorrow could significantly impact the entire memcoin landscape, especially given the concerns about its valuation. That's your Crypto Pulse update for now. Remember, in this market, staying informed isn't just helpful, it's essential. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for twice daily updates that keep you ahead of the crowd. Drop your thoughts on Bitcoin's new ATH or the cross-chain explosion in the comments below. This is Alex from Moonward Capital. See you in 12 hours for our next update.